do it. So we didn't have a
Tell
template.
you, see that
like the flavor
DJ
of love,
mash up the
basically,
gym
but
champs.
Yeah, but we didn't have a
In
Jamaican
the view,
version.
like every
Yeah,
day,
so I
man,
did
they
it.
do
Even
it so
to this
good.
day,
The
people like,
people want to
when
stick
are you
and
doing
stay
it
and
over?
watch what I want for
You
that.
just come out of prison, you should
And
be doing it,
fast,
not getting
yeah.
married.
Jamaica,
So
the
yeah,
best thing.
people loved that. Was big back in
Boom.
the day.
Especially with the songs, pussy, pussy, pussy.
Yeah. I mean, it goes hand in hand, man.
Yeah.
Trust me.
I got one. Kendrick Lamar or Drake?
Man, you just
Drake.
went all the way down.
No, Drake.
I see you say Drake before.
Yeah, he's
on
big
the
in
internet.
Jamaica too, man.
Yeah, you said every block you go through, you can hear a Drake record.
In
You might
Jamaica,
not
yeah,
hear
in
a
the club,
Kendrick
you can,
Lamar.
yeah, you may not.
Right.
Not saying he's not talented, but you know, Drake has that commercial flavor, and he's like the hip hop Michael Jackson.
Right.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, Drizzy. Plus, he did a lot for popcorn, and he reps the culture.
Right.
He reps Jamaica culture.
Yeah.
To the point where people started calling him culture vulture.
Right.
But like, we don't feel that way.
Not in Jamaica.
No, not in
that's a
Jamaica,
Toronto
bro.
influence as well. Like,
Yeah, because Jamaicans are all over
big,
the
big in
East Coast.
Toronto. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
So it is what it is.
This next
I
one.
got this one. No.
All right, go ahead.
I got this because I was looking in my closet for my clocks.
Yeah, Bumbo Clock.
I couldn't find them. I got a brand new pair of New York Yankee clocks, and then I said I might be going too far.
Yes.
But Clarks or Adidas?
No, that's not Adidas.
That's not Adidas,
That's
buddy.
Adidas.
Okay, my bad. Adidas. See?
My Addies?
Yes.
The ones, the shoes I used to make back in the day.
Yeah.
How you know that?
Come on.
All right. Addies. Addies. The nigga said, come on, like one of them Italians. Come on. You must be my balls over here. Crazy.
I love my job.
Right?
I love my job.
Talk about the Addies though, because what inspired you to have your own shoes?
I mean, just like I said, I love money, but it's deeper than that. Like
Yeah.
I said, we grew up on hip hop as well, and we always admired how these guys come from poverty just like us.
Right.
Now they're rappers, they have their own shoes, they have their own, you know what I mean, brand.
You were seeing that first in the hip hop.
Yeah, in the 90s. Yeah, and that
Right.
inspired me, of course. You know what I mean? Like I said, my generation is the first generation to have cable TV.
So you that influences.
Yeah, so when cable came out in Jamaica, we were like 14 years old,
Right.
being the first generation to be able to watch BET and
Wow.
AJ and Free.
Yeah.
106 in Park.
106 in Park.
106 in Park.
Yeah, so we were
And Rap City and
Rap
everything.
City and all of that.
You hear how loud he
Yeah.
got one of these? Like, 106 in
Yeah,
Park.
because we were like, you know what I mean? So, yeah. It changed Jamaica landscape and it added to the culture as well. You know what I mean? So like I said, yeah, before us there was just one TV station in Jamaica.
Right.
So so my older sisters, they grew up on one TV station that signed off at midnight. Crazy, right?
Wow.
And Clark's, I know their sales had to go up after you.
Yeah. Well, remember Clark's, we're a British colony, so Clark's has been embedded in the culture. I just brought it back.
Exactly.
Because like I said, when the cable TV came, this came.
Or the Jordan.
Jordans came.
Yeah.
Sneakers came. Jerseys came. So a lot of it was lost to the kids who came out in the late 90s. They came out wearing Jordans and so on. So when I did Clark's, it brought back that old school style. Yeah, and that's why it's still so big to this day, because it has always been in the culture.
Right.
Know what I mean? Yeah.
Good. E.
Let's see where we at. Dre Skull super hype.
Dre Skull, but Super Hype is my brethren. Dre Skull, me and him did Kingston Story album. That was crazy.
Sizzler or Capleton? Two legends, man. I tell you.
Yeah.
Woo. Did you drink? I'm watching you.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, because he's right. Yeah. But big up Sizzler and Cape Town, man. You can't shout.
No, those are giants.
Yes, man.
Hold on.
To a song.
Anything is possible. It's Street Champs. It's Street Champs. Come on, man.
Let me tell you how much, we could get right back to Quick Time and Slime, but let me tell you how much your fans are your fans.
Yes.
I posted, like, with multiple stuff.
Yes.
And all I did was post a little bit of this right here. They're like, Vybz, come on!
The minute that they heard that you got your visa, they was in our DMs.
Yeah. I'm fucking there.
But let me, before we get back into Quick Time Islam, I just want you to know,
Yeah.
you know, I've been doing this for 8 years, so I've been studying.
9 years.
9 years, excuse me.
Yeah.
I've been studying people's fan base. I study people's drinks. I study people whatever.
Yeah.
But I tell you, your fan base
That's crazy.
are crazy.
Imagine Beehive on weed. That's my family. Barbie's on fucking reefer. Exactly.
And Gunman.
Exactly, right? Shit. Yeah, man, that's why I started telling man.
They are not respectful. They're like, when you drop the episode. Like, nigga, we didn't even record the episode. They made other episodes like, we didn't record it yet.
Yeah, man, that's Gaza Nation, man. They're crazy.
And you know that because when I explained that to Lil Wayne couldn't actually understand.
Yeah.
I had to like almost tell him his fan base, but you know your fan base because you know why they was writing you in jail and all that. Like, okay.
Shit, man, my fan base is crazy, bro. Like me. Back then. That's the cartel he was talking about. That's my fan base. They haven't evolved with me.
Yeah.
They're still
They haven't evolved
with me. They're still dark as fuck. I like it like that.
You can pull a Trump right now. You can tell people, yo, go to motherfucking the court right now. And
No, don't say that. I'm on a visa, sir.
Okay, I forgot. Moving on.
Yeah. I'm not gonna tell them that. Drink water and mind your own fucking business. Oh shit! Can I get a straw?
Yeah.
Why?
Damian Marley.
What just happened?
Yeah. Damian Marley or Stephen Marley?
Damien, that's Junior Gang, man.
Junior.
Come on. Big up Steven still, but Junior Gang, like the younger kids, a lot of young kids in Jamaica even say Junior Gang is better than Bob Marley. Because he not only sings, he DJs, he raps.
Right.
Because he grew up different.
Right.
I mean, he grew up in between Miami and New York. Like, he's a world citizen. Big up Gang.
Shaba or Supercat?
Shaba. Supercat a bad man though.
Man, Supercat is hell.
Yeah, but like I said, remember Shaba is more my like for the ladies.
Right.
So Supercat is a real guy. I mean, I'm a hybrid because coming up I was naturally gangster, but I do a lot of songs for the ladies. So.
And it feels like Supercat was one of the first artists to really get into the hip hop.
Yeah, of course, because him and Heavy D was friends.
Heavy D, and
remember
Biggie's
Heavy D,
track is
and
on
Biggie's first track is on that too.
Supercat's remix.
Yeah. Sometimes some of them are rally back. We are rude boy, you know we not take back that track.
Remix.
And Dolly My, baby. Yeah, that is a legend as well. Yeah, that's from the Ninja Man, Supercat, Shabba Ranks era.
Right.
When I was like 12, 13, coming up in the 80s.
Right. Yeah.
Extension Royalty or Eminem?
Which song? Because Royalty is a song. Which Eminem song?
Which Eminem song?
White Trash Party.
Oh, White Trash.
White Trash Party. White Trash Party remix. Yeah.
This is all you from here on out, brother.
Why you?
Yeah, White Trash Party remix, definitely.
And why you guys write this long ass shit like that?
Because it's cartel, man. That's right.
Now you gotta space out these individuals. They don't have to fight each other. Y'all fuck out.
Oh, is that a Jamaican helped me write those questions? I was like, what the fuck? Okay, I get it now. I get it.
All right, now you gotta do
It all makes sense now.
Ashana or Shensi?
Ishana. But Shensi, a legendary young artist.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact,
You break Shensi.
no, I didn't break her. A producer that I recorded a song for called Ludi.
Yes.
He basically stole the song and gave it to Shensia to sing. But this is when Gaza fans, my fans, really had a problem with Shensia. When she came out and said she wrote the song.
As if she wrote for you?
No, as if she wrote the entire song.
Okay.
So
you wrote her verse too?
No, it was my song.
Oh.
So I recorded a song for you.
Yeah.
You give it to a girl, so all she did was change the verses. So if I say me, she said her.
Right, yes.
So she just changed like the pronouns.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
And then someone leaked the original song. When she was saying, oh, Kartel didn't write my part, I wrote my part. And she released it. Someone leaked the original song where I wrote everything.
Yeah.
That's why Gaza Nation fans had a problem with her initially.
Right.
But yeah, she cool, man. Like, I've never met her in person, though. Remember, I was in prison them times.
Right,
No.
yeah, I told you he was in prison, remember?
I didn't see her.
Yeah, because you recorded that feature for her.
I recorded that song in prison.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And Elvis, who was the producer, gave it to Shensia. So they left my hook, and she just sang my verses.
Right.
How did that fit? Did that vex you?
No, I wasn't vexed and I wasn't happy. It was just like, yo, I need my money. I need my... Yeah. So I wasn't angry or sad. I was unpaid, sir. Yeah, so that's all I needed. But yeah, big up Shenyang.
Okay.
And she reps, anywhere she goes, she shouts out Kartel too.
Always.
Yeah, to be in her defense. She does.
I feel like
But Spice is the number one.
Hey.
Big up Spice. Queen of dancehall.
Yeah.
Yes. She been on the show?
Not yet.
No,
You
Not
need
yet.
her, man.
Yeah.
Definitely.
reggae or dance hall?
Dancehall, forever.
Go ahead,
all.
Kevin.
You should take a shot for asking that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, let's take a shot for
Yeah.
that. We knew it was dance song.
But this one is
Fire.
if you don't say Trump or Biden.
No. Nah, we don't want no political shit neither.
Exactly.
We are not
We need you
ready.
to keep your visa.
Yes, sir. The shots are here.
Right.
I just
Don't
want to
worry.
preface this by saying I have some foul friends, right?
Yes.
I'm the only vegan Ita here, right?
Oh, you're vegan.
Ita, yes.
A little bit. Sometimes they eat shrimp in LA. Allegedly.
You were Jamaican, born in Jamaica?
No, I was born in New York. My parents from Jamaica. Father
Okay.
from St.
He a
Catherine.
Yankee, man. He a Yankee.
So you're a Yankee, basically.
Yeah.
All right. So you're a Yankee.
Number one.
Yeah.
As a vegan, do you eat pussy? I'm just checking.
Absolutely.
To honesty, man. I'm just checking. Because pussy is meat. What? So you can't be a vegan. Think about it. Yeah, I don't know, man. Bob Gordon, I said, why?
But he lied, you know that, right?
I'm just saying.
Okay, so what happened? What you was going ahead? Yeah.
He was asking me
I was leading that up because the reason
one of
why
them
they gave
fucked up questions.
Yeah, they gave me this
It's
fucked
not
up
that
question.
crazy, bro. Come on, just ask him the question.
Jerk chicken or curry chicken? What the hell? That's why they gave that.
No, that's a deep question, man.
Yeah, that's
Take a
deep.
shot.
Yeah, take a shot. Yes, take
I'm
a shot.
Jamaican. How do you?
Yeah, man.
How do you
Kev, you went too
fucking?
crazy with that, bro.
They gave it to me though. That's the foul part.
He gave it to you.
They wanted us to drink.
No way.
What Jamaican? How are you going to decide between curry chicken and jerk chicken?
I can't
Are
do
you
it.
mad?
I can't do it. Tell you something. I went to a store in Kingston and I see the Chinese man. He said, "Oh yeah, blood clot."
Yeah.
I said,
What
if you could be a blood clot.
I can be a blood clot. Yeah. Jamaican Chinese are the toughest.
Yeah, they tough.
They think they're Jamaican.
Yeah.
Hey, blood clot, boy. Konnichiwa, motherfucker. Or whatever. Yeah.
Okay. The Locks or Dipset?
The Locks is Jada Kiss, right?
Yeah.
I'm about to say Jada, but you? I don't know, Jada. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Jada? Okay.
I love Jada.
All right, that was a
Why does Jada sound like an Italian fucking mafia? With that voice and that cadence, which is one of the reasons why his art is so.
Yeah, it's very true.
Yeah, he's
man.
pristine with his lyrics.
Yes,
yeah.
man, and the sound of his voice.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man. Yeah, raspy sound. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah,
All right,
man.
you can take the next one.
That's
You said
crazy.
it, man. Karis one or Slick Rick?
I respect that.
Oh, you want to take two for the culture?
Okay. That's that fever, man.
I like it. I
Yeah,
like
no.
it at that. I like it at that. He took one for Karis one and for Slick
And for
Rick.
Slick, hell yeah, man. Those
I
guys
do-
are legends. I'm not that young, so you know I grew up on those guys' music.
No, they're absolute legends.
All right, Jordan or LeBron?
Jordan.
That was easy. LA or Miami?
New York. No, sorry, guys.
I respect that. I love it.
I'm Jamaican.
Yeah, I
Come
love
on.
it.
New York, Brooklyn, Flatbush.
All
Come
right,
on.
we're gonna take a shot for that.
Yeah,
That's all right.
fucking there.
Yeah, you got shot.
You don't have to take a shot. I'm gonna take a shot for your
There's
answer.
no shot here. Hold on.
Okay.
No, but
So that's why we got to take a shot.
That's why you gotta take a shot.
That's why we got to take the
I'm
shot.
trying to be smart over there.
Yeah.
Y'all not smart over there.
he's like 1 + 1 = 3.
Yes. Yes. Shit.
Salud.
Yeah, man. Salute.
Cheers to you guys, man. Love New York, yeah, man.
You got the next one?
Yeah.
You know, the Gaza version of salute is actually tables. That's what we say.
So I say tables?
Yeah, because we don't do chairs.
Okay. Tables.
Get it?
Cheers.
Huh?
Tables?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We do tables. I like it.
I didn't make that up on the spot,
I'm
like
like that.
some of your previous guests.
Analog or digital?
Analog.
Goddamn, let's
You're
make the noise
talking about the
back.
sound?
Analog. You had to be in the same studio together.
Exactly.
Yes.
That's vintage sound. It's warmer.
Right.
I mean, if you grew up on digital, you're not going to know the difference.
Right.
But if you grew up old school, you're going to know the analog has that warmer sound. So what they used to do in Jamaica, when the digital sound came out, they used to still run it back on the 24 track after they mixed it, and then they mastered on the 24 track.
And they still press it on dub plates.
Exactly, yeah, we still do that shit. So, yeah.
Okay. One.
Oh, no, this is yours. This is the last one.
Okay.
Dale.
Last one.
Dale, chico.
How many questions were those?
Yeah.
This is 1700.
21?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, like what they do.
Finish
Like
that
what they
shit.
do.
Yeah.
Well, let me add one.
Okay, go ahead, man.
Before
With
the
your pink
last
hat on.
22.
Yeah, so my pink hat. Sean
No, it's not pink, it's fuchsia.
Thank you.
Or salmon.
No, not salmon.
No fish, no
In Jamaica. That's a Jamaican. It went over your head.
Wait, what?
No. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Oh, look, now you made it feel Jamaican.
You picked up. Yeah.
Sean Stormer, Mad Sus.
Are these empty?
Are they?
No, they got some.
One.
No, those are, there you go.
Yeah.
He's asking about one is my brother, one is my son.
Salud.
That's 3 shots.
Give us a Mad Sus story, though.
Matt's just is crazy, man. Like, I raised him. So when he came up from the country, he was like 9, 10 years old.
Oh, wow.
So he came to Portmore. So just imagine you coming from fucking somewhere in the country,
Right.
and you end up in Brooklyn
Right.
in 1986.
Right. Wow.
Exactly. So he came up and, you know what I mean, he held his own. He grew up rough, just like the rest of us. We actually went to prison together. And he lost his mother while we were in prison.
Wow.
Yeah, man, I cried, man. Like I said, I cried twice in prison. When my baby mother's mom died and when Madsu's mom died. Wow. That shit hit us like hard, bro. Even my grandmother died when I was in prison and I didn't feel it. Like that, because she was an old lady. She was like 90.
Right.
Like she had lived her life.
She had lived her life, right?
Right.
Yeah, but when Matsu's mom died and Shorty's mom, that shit hurt. Yeah.
Did he is it true that he created the laughter?
Yeah, because remember we're a group, you know. And he invented the world boss.
Oh, okay.
World boss. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, I raised those kids.
Nice.
So yeah. When he came out, you know, I got him a fat Benz and you know what I mean, gave him an apartment. Because my life is dope and I do dope shit. You know Kanye West said that, right? I got it from yeah. I don't know what. I think Dave Chappelle gave that joke.
Yeah.
I was watching it.
Yeah.
In prison.
Yes.
Yeah, and I heard Dave Chappelle say it, and I'm like, oh shit, that's dope. Yeah, so big up Kanye. I like Kanye too.
So this is the last one.
You guys
We'll
need
get
to
back into the
collaborate.
interview.
Yeah, I like Kanye. He's a
Yeah.
lyricist.
Yeah.
You and Kanye, and then production-wise, like that would be crazy.
Yeah, he's also, I saw him once play 2 pianos at once. Like some black Mozart fucking crazy. Big up Kanye.
And now he's back a billionaire. He's on some shit.
Yeah, he's back to being a billionaire, right? You saw him at the Grammys with his wife.
Yeah.
When she
Drop the top.
said, boom, you lucky I'm not in prison, bitch. I'm joking.
I mean, I think he might even appreciate that to a degree.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if he does, I'm not joking. Just saying.
It's real shit, though. That was real shit, though.
Yeah, man, Kanye is crazy, man. But I guess that's part of being a great
Artist.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
You gotta be fucked up.
Yeah.
At least, I mean, not baby all fucked up, but. So, okay. You weren't ready?
Yeah, I wasn't ready. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
The fever.
It's like your fever, right? It's crazy.
Wait, this is not quick time to slide.
Oh, that's the last question. Last question for Quick Time Slide. Then we get back into the interview.
Yes, sir.
Loyalty or respect?
Loyalty.
Loyalty.
Loyalty. I believe in loyalty. Because you can respect me, but if you're loyal to me, I know I'm safe around you.
Respect that.
You're not gonna call some dude, oh, he's here. Come rob him and shoot him like they did Tupac in New York.
Right.
And by they, I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know.
They don't want us to win.
Exactly. But yeah, loyalty, man. Yeah, of course. Loyalty. I believe in that. And that's why it was strange when you asked me that question about Sean Storm. That's one of the most loyal people I've ever met.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I mean, but Gaza is loyalty, though. That's how we roll, you know what I mean?
Let's make some noise for that.
True.
How did you guys come up with calling it Gaza?
Yeah.
It reminds me of Nori saying left rack, Iraq.
Oh, well, first of all, in Jamaica,
Gaza Empire.
the Portmore kid can tell you, Jamaicans, a lot of us, especially back in the day, we were well read and we watch everything that's happening in the world. So you, on a street corner in Jamaica, can be called Tel Aviv.
Tel Aviv, like
Tel Aviv, like Israel.
From Israel, yeah.
And in Jamaica, you have street corners called Mexico. Little New York.
Amongst yourselves.
Flatbush.
Amongst yourselves.
Yeah, that's just like the street corner, amongst ourselves, not like the official government.
Right.
Yeah. So where I come from in Waterford, you have Boston, you have Flatbush, you have Mexico, and then you have Gaza. You know what I mean? So we got the name literally from the Middle East.
Is it given because of a reason, though?
Yeah, because of that struggle, man.
That's true. Okay, so you're emulating something that...
Emulating something. That's why a lot of these street corners in Jamaica have those names, nicknames. You know what I mean? So you have Red Square. That's where Sprague Benz is from. You know, Red Square is Russia.
Yes.
You got Little London down there. You got Mexico. You got Vietnam in Seaview, where Bounty Killer is from.
Seaview, Mountain View.
Yeah, Mountain View. No, those are real names. But on a street corner in Seaview, you would see, because we graffitied the place, so you would see Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who lives in Tel Aviv?
Sprague Benz. No, Tel Aviv is south. Sprague Benz lives in Red Square.
Okay.
Which is, like I said, the unofficial name for the corner. Yeah, which is the Russian.
Yeah.
Sprague Benz, you know, big entertainer in Jamaica.
I've been to Seaview, Mountain View.
You been to Seaview? That's your Bounty Killers.
And I've been...
You've been to Tivoli. I watched you saying you went to Tivoli Gardens with Dodo. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. I watched that shit in prison, bro. You big, like your podcast is big in prison, in the streets, everywhere in Jamaica.
Oh, come on, let's make some noise.
When you fuck Jamaica up, as a rapper as well.
Yes, I ain't gonna lie.
Come on, man.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Nori?
Yes. When they told me, they said, man, because what?
Yeah,
No, Super Thug had to be going crazy.
I didn't know.
All those songs.
I didn't know, like, Jamaica loved. I guess because it was rowdy.
Like I said, yes. That's it. That's why Jamaica's from Brooklyn. Yeah. That's why I said when you said Miami or LA, I said New York.
Right. God damn it.
Yeah. But I love Miami because it has the Jamaican climate.
Yes.
And the palm trees and the
We
big
all
body girl.
grow very Caribbean here.
Yeah. It's very Caribbean.
Yeah.
Can I say very demure?
Demure. I don't know.
It sounds very mindful.
Right.
Yeah, moving on.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what is it? Garnet says? Garnet?
Garner Silk?
Garnet, like one of the most
Silk?
dangerous hoods.
Garrison, we call it Garrison.
Garrison.
And you know what a garrison is? That's like a fort or.
It's just a real word from
yeah.
the, back in Roman,
military.
from the military.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
military. Yeah,
So
yeah.
Garrett, and you was locked up
You
in
went
there.
to one of the toughest garrisons, though, Tivoli.
That's what I was telling you. Yeah.
Pick me up. That's
Yeah, man, that's no joke. Bro, that's
yeah. But you were locked up there.
Yeah.
And then that night when he came to see you, Busta Rhymes shot a video there that night?
this nigga Busta. The man came to the fucking prison, which is in another garrison called Southside.
Okay, that's what I was trying to get.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he shot the video outside the prison. I'm in the prison talking to the G on my phone, on my cell, in my cell. Like, yeah, man, stand up there, so me I go send 2 man come link you. So I'm telling him I'm gonna send two dogs to come link him, make sure he's safe.
Right.
Yeah. And yeah, it was crazy, man. Yo, Busta, give him a clap. That's my G, man. That's my brother. Yeah, man. Big up Busta. He's never scared, man. He represent for Kartel. He represent for dancehall.
Right.
Yeah, so big up Busta.
Yeah.
Trevor Smith.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Not only there, but I remember when you first coming out.
Yeah.
And I remember Busta going on Hot 97 and literally telling people, Vybz Kartel is the next man. Yo, please, you have to get on Vybz Kartel. Like, I remember this shit from the beginning.
He believes in me, man.
Yeah,
Trust me.
Like he not only believes in you, he loves you on some
Yeah,
real,
some
like,
real love. Yeah,
some
man.
real,
Family
like, gangsta family shit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we spoke about how y'all met, right?
Yeah. But once he came to Jamaica, we was like instant.
Okay.
Because the respect, and remember, he's Jamaican.
Right.
So it's both his parents Jamaican, but he was born in Brooklyn.
Right.
So he's basically
But you
Jamaican.
can't tell him that.
He's basically Jamaican.
No.
If you're born in Brooklyn, nigga, you're a Jamaican.
Yeah.
Even if your parents are from fucking Dubai. Once you're in Brooklyn, you're Jamaican. Like I'm in Miami, I couldn't get a Craven A. All they had was this. Marlboro. That's all. If I'm in Brooklyn, Craven A is sold in every shop.
What is
Guinness? This is Guinness, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Guinness. That's Jamaican, like our style.
Dragon Star.
Dragon, beer, Red Stripe, Heineken.
That's not from Irish?
Yeah, but remember, Jamaica is a British colony.
That's right.
It's a British colony, so
Hey, you
we
want to smoke
share.
a cigarette? Yeah, smoke a cigarette.
Thank you, sir. The first man on Ching Chans to smoke a fucking cigarette.
You calm down, Sonny D. You don't
No, if he's not the producer, he can't say shit.
No, you can smoke. You can smoke. Hey.
Which is fucked up. No, which is fucked up. Because it's not Jamaican. So I don't know.
That's not Jamaican?
No, that's what I said. If I was in Brooklyn, I could have gotten the Jamaican cigarette, which is the Craven A.
Craven A. You don't smoke the Craven A.
Even the comedian said it
You
the
better
other
stop
day.
Craven A.
Even the comedian said it the other day. The man was like, yo, there are more Jamaicans in Brooklyn than Jamaica. Yeah, and he's not lying.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of white people that go to Jamaica right now. They're saying that there might be a Puerto Rico without Puerto Ricans in a little while.
For real?
Yeah, they're
There
saying
might be a Puerto Rico.
without Puerto Ricans.
Oh, that's
Because they kicking all the Puerto Ricans out because of
gentrification?
gentrification
Yeah, over the whole island.
and tax purposes. Because if you live there for more than 6
It's a
months,
tax haven.
Yeah, so if you live there for more than 6 months or 7 months, you don't have to pay no U.S. tax.
That's crazy because in Jamaica, I think they work out a deal with the Chinese that you don't pay taxes on your business for like 5 years. So say you're a Chinese guy, right?
Right.
Highly unlikely because you're dark skinned.
Yeah.
But just say you're a Chinese guy.
He Chinese. Fuck it.
Konnichiwa. Why do I keep using Japanese?
I don't know. Fuck it. Let's go.
Fuck
But
it.
Chinese.
Yeah, anyway.
We don't care.
You come to Jamaica, you open a business. Say you get 5 years, what do you call it? Grace period. Not to pay taxes. In the 4th year, you send for your cousin from fucking Beijing
They replace it.
and put him as the CEO of the company.
And the company's not paying tax.
So the company's not paying tax for another 5 years.
And they bring the next one after.
And then the next one after that.
And that's when you have the craziest Chinese Jamaicans ever. Because
Exactly. Bumba clad.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I was watching.
This is just a fake bumba clad. That's not how we say it.
I was watching a construction site in Jamaica.
Yeah.
and then they had nothing but Chinese workers coming out. And then a Jamaican guy was like, yo, man, look, they won't hire us. And so they
My thing is this.
Okay.
I have no problem with Chinese nationalism. The problem I have is with the lack of black people's nationalism.
Right.
But we're not going to go that deep. Fuck it. String champs.
Yeah, string champs.
We're not going that deep. Fuck that.
Things could be better. Yes, they can do better. They can do better.
We already spoke.
Did he just say the government can do better?
Yeah.
You don't want me to go back to Jamaica, FN?
Oh, no, strike it from the river.
Government. No, but me and the government, good. They treat me good. Like I said, I came out, I changed up my whole thing, and I'm good.
Right.
That's why I'm here now in America.
Right.
Cheers to change.
Yeah,
That's
cheers
right.
to change.
Yeah, man.
Cheers.
Salute. Yeah, man. Salute. Salute.
And we know you about to get married, but before that, let's talk about Short Boss.
Yeah.
Shorty.
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
the video. Like a
Two of
video.
you.
Yeah, that's my baby mom. I've been with her since before I got famous and rich. But I mean, like I said, you see, prison is dangerous. Because you know when you go to prison, shit gets weird. And like I said, she held it for years. And then she couldn't hold it anymore.
You talking about your baby mom?
Yeah, obviously. What was you talking about him?
She got caught slacking then.
Yeah, but I still respect her. Because I understand
understood it.
human beings.
Right.
Think about it.
Human nature.
Okay, think about it. Your woman is in prison. 1 year goes by. No, let's not use you. You look like you fuck even when your woman is even when this woman is at home. This dude looks like he's in the fucking by the pool house fucking a bitch. But yeah. I'm not in the but it's true, because think about it. Even people that love me, like I'm sure she loved me. Because she rode with me. Even when she was slacking, I could still jump on my phone in prison. Shorty, go to the bank. Jordis, make sure the lawyer gets that. Pay this bill. Give this person money. And she was there right through. But come on, I'm in prison for fucking 13 years. What do you expect her to do?
Right.
Like, save the pussy?
Right.
It's not a hedge fund. I don't know. But but I forgave her immediately.
Right.
Because I understand. But I just had to move on.
Right. That's right.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Big up Shorty. I'm big up to them. She's actually here. No, she's in Lauderdale because I left her in Lauderdale.
Okay.
Man. Yeah. So,
That's super mature of you too, for sure.
Bro, she gave me 3 sons.
Yeah.
Come on. Big up Shorty. I love her. She made me cry. No. I was in prison. The other prison was like, where am I? It's crazy, man. And that's what people love about me, because I just speak my truth, man. I put it in music. Fuck that. I only live once, man.
So how you found out?
My other baby mother. My life is crazy. No, seriously, my other baby mother told me, oh, you fucking hyping up Shorty, she fucking some guy. Like, literally.
Did you believe it when you heard it?
No, I didn't. You know, men are idiots when it comes to... When you're in love, you're a fucking clown. Am I lying, though? That's what I'm saying. But yeah. She gave me my sons. They do music too. Little Vybz.
Little
Little Addy. Yeah, they do the music. And the other baby mom that told me, the snitch, she gave me She's a snitch. But she gave me a nice dog. But yeah, I mean, bro, I'm just living, man.
Right, goddamn.
And I take the good, the bad, the ugly.
Right.
Yeah, man, it's like, God is
Yes.
But for everybody who was on watch, right?
Yeah.
Like, you know, from the outside looking in, it looks like you never cracked. It looked like you never
No,
folded.
while I was in prison, no. Like I said, I cried twice.
Right.
Honestly, when Shorty, her mom died, because Shorty's Short Boss. When her mom died, because she was at every court. Every time I was in court, she was there.
There for you.
Even when I told her, don't come.
Still